All right, guys, we're doing the Carpenters today. I Just Fall in Love Again is the song. Let's take a listen here. I'm going to play the oboe part at the beginning in the right hand to start with. Dreaming, I must be dreaming. Lying here, na 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 na. All right. Hello, everyone. I'm Sean Cheek, and welcome to my Easy Piano Lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson here, but all of the lessons for this, as well as quite a few other Carpenter songs that I've done over the past 12 years, are on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Works on your phone, your tablet, your desktop, whatever you want to use. And the memberships are non-recurring, so once you buy a month or 3 months or whatever, it doesn't charge you again automatically. You'll have to go in and do that again if you want to extend your membership. So a lot of people like that. All right. So here we go with the lesson. So I put the small notes up there at the top. Okay, and I mentioned real quick, if you need a little extra help learning my method, or you've never had any music at all, you might want to try my beginner lessons on webpianoteacher.com. Start at ground zero, give you a foundation of music and piano so that you can get used to this before trying to play something this difficulty. Okay, so the small notes are the melody of the oboe at the beginning, which aren't in the keyboard part, but I thought it'd be neat to play them, so there they are at the top. We're going to learn the keyboard part first, okay, with the keyboards playing, accompanying the oboe. So we'll do that, and then later on I'll show you how to play like I did, where you play that melody there. Okay, so left hand will start with a B flat below middle C. The right hand will have F, B flat, and C 2 times. 1, 2, playing 1, 3, 4 for my fingers. Then I'll go to just a B flat chord, F, B flat, D, 1, 3, 5 for count 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then da da da. E natural, B flat, D, 1, 3, 5. Left hand on a G moves down to a G. Count 2 will be E, B flat, C, and then play that 2 more times for count 3 and 4. So let's put that together. Okay, so that's how you start off. The next chord will be E flat on the left, so move down to E flat. Right hand will have E flat, G, B flat, D. 1, 2, 3, 5. That D is just in there because of the melody. Da, da, da. Then we have E flat, G, B flat, which is just take away the D on the top, and you have it. Now F, G, B flat, and then E flat, G, B flat. We'll count 4. So that measure is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll move down to B flat, D, F on the right, left hand on a B flat. Count 1. Count 2 will be da 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 da. So a little quicker on those 4 notes, and that's why I put a little slur there. I use those to indicate those notes go a little faster, or that group is together. B flat, F, I'll use 1 and 4, then G with the 5th finger, E flat, B flat, and that's da 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 da, ba da ba ba, and then we're back to bum 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 bum. Whoops, ha! Hadn't sorry about that. My iPad there hadn't refreshed it in a while, so bum, ba, da, ba, ba, ba. So there we have E flat, F, G. I'll use 3, 4, 5, and then B flat, A natural, C, dun, 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 dun. Whole measure, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the singing starts. Okay, so from the very beginning, here's the keyboard part. Bum, 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 da, 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 da. Let's take a look at that oboe part in case you want to do it, and then we'll show you how to incorporate that. At the very beginning, here's the small notes. You don't have to do this, but here's how to do it if you want. F, B flat, B flat, B flat, C, D, D, G, C, So start with that. Now just put the left hand note in there. Just do octaves. Then a G. And then an E flat. We'll add more in a minute. Now, to add a little more in there, what you could do is do B flat, F, C on the left hand. This is just an idea for you. Because you can't really, it doesn't really sound good, I don't think, to try to play those chords and then add the melody too. This doesn't quite sound right. It takes away from the melody. So I would do something like this. Okay? Now on the next measure, na na na. On the next measure, do G, E, G on the left hand. All right, and on the next one, we can do E flat, B flat, G, or E flat, B flat, F if you want. And the next measure, B flat, F, C. Then you can go back to playing the keyboard part. So it would sound something like this. So it's kind of an improv thing, since that's not really what the keyboard part plays, but that's a way that you can incorporate it. And then we'll just go to playing the keyboard part when the singing begins. And she really has a low voice, really. I mean, for a female singer, beautiful voice. But okay, so there's your part one. Hope that gets you guys started. And again, my website, webpianoteacher.com. If you have any questions about a membership or anything, just send me an email, easypianolessons@yahoo.com, EASY, pianolessons@yahoo. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later.